Okay, so I'm going to explain why America is the biggest bully nation in the world and has committed tons of crimes and war crimes against humanity. It's really simple. Look, America has constantly been at war. They've been at war before I was born, and I was born in 1990. One country after another. Anyone who doesn't listen to them, we're going to go to war with you and we're going to kill you. That's basically the American motto. Okay. They invaded Iraq stating that there was weapons of mass destruction. We got there. We didn't find a single weapon of mass destruction, but yet we still destroyed their country, and their country's still not the same. It was better when Saddam was running the country. Next, Afghanistan. We blame bin Laden. Who trained bin Laden? The CIA trained bin Laden and funded bin Laden. And then we go and destroy Afghanistan. Then we go to Libya. Why did we go to Libya? What did Gaddafi do? We destroyed Libya. We've destroyed so many countries and killed so many innocent people for nothing.